Oh, here we go. Let's see. Too much for developing film from Paterson, made in Great Britain. So let's have a look. First to magic box. So welcome on my video. And here it is. So what we got? It's a measure jar. It looks like. So what inside? Oh, it's pretty small. Wow. 150 milliliter. Hooks and clips for film. Looks like. To remove excess water from the surface of the film before cleaning, I guess. Yep. Right. Do you see that? I like Christmas. Careful, here's temperature, measurements. I keep everything in, I don't want to remove. Oh, that's what I want. One guy, 600 millimeters. One guy is like chemistry. I love chemistry. We made in school chemistry. Next beauty is the same. All is from Paterson, made in Great Britain. This is designed for Elford developing kit, but I'm using for color. And here is developing tank. Da-da-da-da. Here. We got developing tank. Oh, beautiful. Oh, beautiful. Jerry have Christmas. Okay, this is LEDs. Some stick, it will be, yeah, with spinning the stick, we bring to hole and spinning. That's cool, and mixing. Excellent. So what inside? Oh, sorry. Ta-da! Oh, we can do both films. Nice. That's cool. Oh yeah, we can separate it. Here is bowl. You see that? The bowl for during the film. Yeah, and make like. Also, you can. I don't know how we make for medium format film. Is this blocker here? I will see, I will try later. Nope. This is for 30 3mm. I have a look. Later. Right. Yep. So please keep all together. Nicely inside. Oh yeah, lids, okay. These things, the developing tank, it's cost £34. I got all box from £86. Alright. We will see how to use that. Yeah, cool. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. So all my presents came in. Here is a remover for the film. Can remove film the outside from the spool. I'm so happy. Presents for Jerry. Oh, beautiful Christmas. Oh yeah. This is good for losing. I get the box for water. It's beautifully dusted, so we need to clean. Alright. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. And next, what you need should have is Cine Still Developer for color film C41. Yeah. I don't need to open. I need to keep all together. And here it's bottles. Yes. 3 bottles. Ooh, papa. Tasty. Is some camera for make it photo. Flexurate, made in Czechoslovakia. Oh yeah, it's from same country like me. Where I from. Yeah, that's what you need. 35mm photo camera, a Pentax P50 or whatever, and of course film. Right? So that's always, and see next time on my video. Bye. Cheerio.